are visiting Carowinds and welcome aboard the Carolina Skytower. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated. The Carolina Skytower is one of the park's original attractions and rises from 320 feet. At the top of the tower, you will see a breathtaking 360-degree panoramic view of Carowinds Skytower. For more than 50 years, Carowinds has been a place where the Carolinas come together. The park opened to the public on March 31st, 1973, for the cost of $7 million. This was following an extensive
That's the one you just did. Look at it. You just did that.
was inspired by and by his dream of leading the states of North and South Carolina. The name Carowinds was inspired by the park's original theme, representing the history and culture of the Carolinas and the blend of Carolina and the Woods, in reference to the winds that blow across the Carowinds still holds the title of being the only amusement park in the United States that is situated within two states. Over the past half-century, Carowinds has seen major growth with the addition of new parks, programs, auxiliary shows, safety events, ceremonies, and Carowinds currently boasts two new tallest buildings in the world. Off in the distance, you will see our signature map, Gyro, 22 towers, fastest buildings, held on the ground. Heights reaching 325 feet, 81 degrees, a length of 6,620 feet, and speeds of 95 miles per hour. This 2,700-ton volcano is a full-blown escapade. Connected to the stability is Copperhead Strike, Carolina's first double-launch race. Which was inspired by the family favorite years ago. Now the restriction is back in a fresh and exciting way.
Did you feel crazy on this?
Carolina.
Like someone says, one of the times, I don't know what it's called, the gray out. Gray bag. They sometimes take gray out on it.
This European heritage celebrates Carolina's history, invention, exploration, and aviation. Families and friends have been making lifelong memories for more than half a century here at the premier entertainment destination of the Carolinas. We look forward to many more exciting adventures. Thank you for riding the Carolina Skytower and letting us share a bit of our history. We hope you enjoy your day and look forward to seeing you again soon.
Take care of the observation tower. I like it. It's just nice to see all the rides, but you can kind of see what's open too. That's the board said. I mean, if you want to.
Stop, please stand up next to your left. Thank you so much.
All right, put my back, I guess.
Have a great day here at Carowinds.